Honorable Ichungwa.
Honorable Speaker, I stand well informed by the Honorable Irene Mayaka, but Irene Mayaka must understand that being an old member of this House, when we had the committee of ICT, I am still in that old regime. Now it is a committee, the CII committee. And Honorable Speaker, I've heard what the Honorable Omboko is saying. Probably one of the things we should be telling Kenyans, maybe with artificial intelligence, you never know. Maybe these people could at one point switch off their eyes, and you have to pay to see. Kenyans must be cautious. So we must caution Kenyans with the technology around the world today, Honorable Speaker. You never know. Maybe at one point, your eyes will be switched off from somewhere, and you have to pay to see or pay to read. And you never know, Honorable Speaker. So let's just caution Kenyans wherever we are, even our school children, as Mwalimu Honorable Mboko says. We need to also sensitize our school children. It's unfortunate, Honorable Speaker, that as someone said, there are mothers who are queuing with their babies strapped on their backs, and you never know whether they were capitalizing on you harvest your own iris and that of the child, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Honorable Majority Leader, in view of what you are saying and what the members have expressed, I direct you to bring